mabuhay. Welcome to my home, my place, my town, Asingan, Pangasinan. Naimbag nga aldaw kada kayo amin, siyak ni Nel Tristan Abarigor, 24. Welcome to Asingan, Pangasinan. And this is my home, a landlocked municipality in the coastal province of Pangasinan. Asingan, the municipality from the 6th district, which has 18 barangays and a land area of 66.64 square kilometers or 25.73 square miles, which constitutes 1.22% of Pangasinan's total area and a total of 57,811 population. As a concerned citizen of my community, I want to pursue of advocacy the access for quality healthcare, and I know it is really timely and relevant. In supporting this activity, I can minimize the spread of more complex diseases caused by bacteria and viruses and to prevent future instances that will lead to more chaotic situations. I am raising this advocacy to help eradicate and prevent the spread of pathogens and give enough information to people around for us to be knowledgeable about the possible causes and effects of some diseases. During this pandemic, truly affordable but high quality healthcare tools and services are the only means by which quality healthcare can be provided to all. The change is in our hand, so let's start to make a change. Nel Tristan Abarigor, 24, Municipality of Asingan, Province of Pangasinan.